going on, guys? Coming towards the end of June here, and I figured I would just do a little collection update and also show you a modification I did to one of my DTOFs. So let's get started here. I have the Hot Toys DX08 Jack Nicholson, the Joker. That is an awesome figure, guys. Awesome figure. Dropping down to the second shelf, the Batman Bruce Wayne Batsuit Begins version. Really cool figure, guys. Right next to him, the Joker Bank Robber version. Drop down to the Predator shelf here, classic Predator. Awesome figure, guys. Awesome. Right next to him, I got Private Billy Soul. Drop down here to Sergeant Barnes from Platoon. Awesome movie, awesome figure. Right behind him, I have Michael Jackson Thriller. Next to him, I have Ed from Shaun of the Dead. This is an old Sideshow Collectibles figure. Still an awesome figure. Jump up to my next case. DX Jack Sparrow. It's one of my favorite pieces, guys. Such a great figure. This is my Terminator shelf. Got the T-800 Terminator here. It's an awesome figure. Sarah Connor right next to him. And in the back, the Mighty T-1000 figure. It's probably one of my favorite ones. Let's drop down to Resident Evil Alice here. It's Jill Valentine Battlesuit version. And that is Abigail Whistler, guys, from Blade. Enter Bailey on the Professional. It's that Toy City. It's supposed to be SAS, I guess. Call of Duty. Captain Price figure. It's supposed to be SAS, but none of the gear really is SAS. So, it's a cool head sculpt, though. Jump over to my other case here, guys. Superman, Christopher Reeve. It's a great figure, guys. Got some Iron Man figures here. Black Suit Spider-Man. Sandman diorama. We'll jump down to my last shelf here and the modification, guys. Hot Toys Jake Sully. As you can see in the DTOF posed up. And the modification that I got off the Freaks board here. Basically, just a couple U-bolts, guys, from Home Depot. Cost like 98 cents. And I was able to lift up the glass to the proper height to get the Jake Sully figure in. It's a cheap mod and also a very sturdy one, guys. These bolts are in there tight and feels real secure, so no worries about anything falling here. But yeah, if you're interested in doing that, it's pretty simple. Just a U-bolt, 4 of them, fastens right in. And you can get your Jake Sully in your DTOF if you're interested in doing that. So yeah, I just figured I would share that with you guys, share my collection. I hope you appreciate it. Subscribe and leave your feedback. Thanks.